Things in the bathroom. Sink. Faucet. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Hand towel. A small towel used in the bathroom to dry your hands after washing. Towel rack. Towel bar. Bath towel. A large towel used for drying off after a bath or shower. Beach towel. Bucket. Bar soap. Soap dish. Liquid soap. Soap dispenser. Mirror. Bathtub. Shelves. Hairbrush. Comb. Drain. Plunger. Ring. Bidet. Shower. Shower door. Shower curtain. Washing machine. Laundry. Laundry basket. Bathrobe. Toilet. Toilet paper. Flip-flops. Tiles. Bathroom cabinet. Bath mat. Pumice stone. Bath sponge. Loofah. Shaving cream. Razor. Electric razor. Q-tips. Dental floss. Body scrub brush. Shampoo. A liquid product used to clean hair. Conditioner. A hair care product used after shampoo to moisturize and soften hair. Hair dryer. Bobby pins. Hair ties. Shower gel. A liquid soap used for washing the body during a shower. Tissue box. Measuring jug. Toothbrush holder. Face wash. Cleansing product used to clean the face, removing dirt, oil, and impurities. Roller face massager. Nail clippers. Nail file. Nail polish. Tweezers. Moisturizer. A cream or lotion applied to the skin to hydrate and smooth the skin. Washcloth. A small, soft cloth used in the bathroom for washing your face or body. Deodorant. Hair straightener. Squeegee. Sunscreen. A lotion or spray applied to the skin to protect it from harmful UV rays from the sun. Perfume. Exfoliating scrub. Is a skincare product that helps remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. Outlet. Clothespin. Mouthwash. Trash can. Scissors. Makeup. Laundry detergent. Bath mug. Basin. Scale. Gloves. Clothesline. Mop. Medicine. Now, let's test your bathroom vocabulary. This is a toothbrush. This is a comb. This is a Sink. This is a razor. This is a loofah. This is a toothpaste. This is a soap. This is a faucet. This is a bucket. This is an outlet. This is a toilet paper. This is a nail file. Well done. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.